Hey everybody, CCJ Editor Jason Cannon here. Join me for an up-close look at Mack's newest on-highway truck, the Pioneer. When Mack introduced its Anthem model in 2017, it was supposed to become the company's over-the-road king of the road. But 8 years later, that really hasn't happened, so Mack Trucks is turning over the keys to a brand new model, the Pioneer. Anthem found a lot of success in the day cab segment, but it never really took off with the sleeper fleets. The Pioneer zeroes in on that long-haul segment with several new to Mack offerings and options that took 8 years to bring to market. The Pioneer not only looks a lot different from its predecessor, it feels different. Of course, much of a then 2017 new Anthem was indeed all new, but at the core, Anthem was always an overhauled and modernized CXU. The Pioneer cab is 8 inches wider at the B panel between the driver's shoulders. That's about 85 inches wall-to-wall and 71 inches of shoulder space. The additional space enables a wider and taller frame seat with expanded shoulder and headrest areas and armrests on both sides of the seat. That's a first for Mack. The seat features a perforated material for both heating and cooling functions and has an integrated massage system. I've never had a massage while driving a semi before until I hopped in the Pioneer. The door opening is 3.5 inches wider with 1 inch more head clearance, making it easier and safer to get in and out of the truck. Door-mounted HVAC louvers direct heating and cooling to the driver's shoulder area and the window, improving comfort and visibility. The seat isn't the only automotive nod. Inside, you'll find a 12-inch digital instrument cluster and a 9-inch secondary infotainment display, which also shows the look-down camera for trucks equipped with the optional camera mirror system, another Mack first. The steering wheel tilt is air-assisted, so it's easier to dial in your preferred driving position. The truck also gets a push-button start, a transmission stalk that moves gear selection to the steering column for improved safety and better ergonomics. It was previously a push-button panel on the wing. Mack's flat-bottom steering wheel that allows for easier entry and exit, wireless charging options, and a customizable switch layout that allows drivers to arrange switch banks according to their preferences. Pioneer also introduces a new integrated parking cooler as an optional upgrade. The electric auxiliary power unit uses the truck's batteries to support cabin cooling without the need to idle the engine. Frontal airbags are standard on the Pioneer, along with Mack Protect, a new advanced driver assistance system that incorporates active and passive safety technologies for commercial vehicles. Pioneer features an advanced communications system with a ball socket joint mount for phones and navigation devices, and the structural dash extrusion provides device mounting options. An industry-first and patent-pending ELD mounting plate provides secure placement for essential compliance equipment. A Mack First tablet holder positioned below it accommodates iPads and similar devices. Pioneer is available in day cab, 44-inch mid-roof sleeper, 64-inch mid-roof sleeper, 76-inch mid-roof sleeper, and 76-inch high-roof sleeper. Each sleeper configuration offers specific features from basic flat bunks to premium options with reclining bunks. Mack's Flex Suite system, where the lower bunk can be rotated up against the rear wall to create more living space, is available on the 76-inch sleeper. Mack's iconic Bulldog has been bumped off its perch on the hood and integrated into the truck's design. Flanked by air intakes that help manage airflow under the hood, the new Bulldog is now an integral part of the truck's performance rather than just an emblem. The grille features a reinforced fiberglass plastic structure with a metal-formed mesh that is both durable and lightweight. The Mack word mark has also been moved to the lower third of the grille, dropping it below some of the cooling components in the radiator. The headlamps include a standard defrost function that pushes hot air into the lens to prevent ice buildup. Previous LED lamp heating solutions relied on embedded wires in the lens, which were both optional and less visually appealing. Every exterior detail, from the lower fenders to the continuous surface from the front of the grille to the back of the sleeper box to the flush-mounted marker lights on the roof, it was all engineered to reduce drag and enhance fuel efficiency while maintaining that traditional Mack truck look. Looking like a Mack is important because the Pioneer is Mack's most aggressive attempt to date to capture a significant portion of the long-haul tractor market. That's a segment of the truck buying population that still misses the Mack Superliner.
stop anywhere on the hill.
It feels comfortable and it looks cool, but how does it perform? The aerodynamics of Pioneer, bundled with engine and transmission upgrades, can deliver up to an 11% improvement in fuel efficiency compared with the equivalent prior model. Some of that gain, about 4% of it, comes from a new MP13 engine. You can get about 1% from the optional camera mirror system. The transmission shifts about 30% faster too, which helps. Mack is celebrating 125 years in 2025, but they're the ones giving us the gift, and who doesn't love a new truck model? Is the Pioneer the model that catapults Mack from bulldog to big dog? Only time will tell. Pioneer is now available for order, with production slated to kick off around early summer.